garbage can, smoke can. What do I prefer to go from within the alligator season?
Yeah, look at me, I'm dancing, I'm chilling on this tropical island we're on. This place is radical. 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 Who are you? You see, I'm the pilgrim, or the island landlord, and I hate to break it to you, you're gonna have to get rid of your island, because we want to build a big cheese storage here, so you're gonna have to get the hell out, and we're gonna give you like 5 minutes. Take the island by force, and we will also use you as coke slaves to make our coke, and as drug mules to sell your drugs to other countries, such as the United States, where we get even more money. No, you can't take my island for ransom. I live here with a bunch of mangoes. No, you can't.
It's time to check on my friend. I'm here.
That was a story of piss.
My gator is sticky.
My gator's
Gator is
sticky.
sticky.
I gotta get out. I gotta get out. I gotta get...
Get off my lawn, dude. Whoa. Oh, you just got a good strat. Where you going, Turk Man? Where you going, Turk Man? I decided to huff some paint thinner, and I rewatched this movie for some unknown reason. And it's a decent film and all, but like, there's just something that pisses me off about it that I really want to get off my chest. This movie, for some reason, just decides that they feel the need to just like throw in like forbidden topics and edge just to get a fucking shock out of the audience. Like, with a character as flexible as Pennywise, like, who can literally alter the universe, why do you feel the need to just throw in shit like two gay guys getting beat up and, like, domestic abuse? And it's not even, like, divided, like, throughout the movie. It's all just, like, in one like, the movie just starts and just awful shit is happening. It's just dark. And it's dark for, like, no reason. Like, none of these characters from this scene ever pop up again. Like, this guy gets eaten. I thought this guy was going to be a new character because I was like, oh, his boyfriend got eaten by Pennywise and now he's going to be like a good guy and he's going to get his revenge. No, he doesn't come up ever fucking again. Like, why? Why are you going to, like, shock us with this shit? And then when Pennywise does shit, it's like, like, look at this. This looks like something out of, like, Goosebumps. Or, like, Ghostbusters. What the fuck is this? How about instead of filling your fucking movie with just, like, trash like this? Like, why is this in the movie? Nobody here ever pops up. Like, not even these guys. These guys don't even pop up as characters again. What the, like, I kind of get the domestic abuse one, but, like, again, I feel like you're just trying to, like, domestic abuse, you gotta feel bad for the character.
Bitch, shut the fuck up! Nobody gives a shit!